Hey guys, Brett here with Kingstree Plumbing. We're going to get into the video in just a second. Note, there's a number around this video. If you need us, please give us a call. We want to help. Any questions you have, we can get you answered. There's a bunch of these videos, so if your questions aren't answered here, you can look at some of those other videos. Give us a call. There'll be a link or a button around here to jump into a chat with us if that's what you'd like to do. We want to hear from you. We want your feedback. We want to solve the problems you have. You have a fantastic day, and the question we're going to be answering today is, how can Kingstree Plumbing's quote be higher? Or why are two companies charging me different amounts for exactly the same service? Firstly, it's important to understand that there are many different business models, even just inside the plumbing industry. There's different areas of the, there's new constructions, residential service, commercial. There's a lot of different business models inside. And then inside residential service, there's a bunch of different business models inside that. Some people do flat rate pricing, some people do time and material. There's a bunch of different ways you can run a business. And then there's operators running those business of all different, experience levels. Some people have no idea how to price their work. We did that for a few years. We were not pricing right. We were not running a business. We were plumbers running business. Instead of businessmen running a business. They're two very different things. Some people aren't aware of their costs. Some people are charging as much as they can. They're trying to push the price as high as they can with no real reason why they're doing it. They just keep pushing it until they get kickback, and then they ring round and figure out how much everyone else is charging. We didn't do that. Well, we did for the first few years. When we finally realized that for a business to grow and be able to serve the customers the way we wanted to, we had to charge properly. We had to figure out all of our expenses, all of our stuff like that. So at Kingstree, we're very dialed in on exactly how much everything costs. So all that to say, there's a bunch of different companies and different variables. You're never going to get two prices that are exactly the same. Now, on a different level, there's different levels of expenses as well. So Joe Blow, I have lots of friends that are plumbers that have gone on their own. They just run out of their own personal truck. They run out of their garage. They take deposits from customers for equipment. They have insurance, but maybe not as much as you'd want. They don't have their health insurance themselves. They don't have that sort of thing. There's that level of company, and then there's a company that has offices and other vehicles and employees, and wanting to be a good company to work for and be able to provide the benefits and the good pay and all that stuff, the right insurance, making sure that we're covered for everything, making sure we have the best equipment for the guys, making sure we're only installing the best inventory and material. There's two very different levels of expenses in those companies. That's why someone can charge 100 and someone can charge 500. Those expenses are wildly different. Now, which one is better? You can have very good plumbers in both companies. Often you see lower cost one-man bands. They're not available at the weekends. If they're on holiday, there's no one to pick up if an emergency happens. They're not covered for as much of damage. They're in and out super quick, maybe not so focused on service, so they can offer a lower price. And then there's the companies that have all these expenses, and because they have these expenses, pushes companies to really deliver on the service as much as they can, and really looking after each customer, and really being able to provide for them 24/7, always having people on the phones, having offices they can come to, having fully stocked vehicles so we can get out, get done, and get them back to work the next day, having the same day service, people on standby ready to go. Like, having a business like that, to me, being able to serve the clients better, even though we have to charge a bit more money, it's a business that I'm proud of and that I want to be able to run. Now, we only hire fully qualified technicians, service experts, journeymen to run the trucks. So I've been at companies where it's first year, second year, third year, fourth year in trucks, charging the same amount of money, the flat rate price, the time and material price, charging the same amount of money as journeyman plumbers. They're only first years. I've seen many first years, second years, third years. We only hire journeyman plumbers. That's a commitment we have. We don't want to run into the issues that we've seen at so many other companies where silly mistakes, just trying to make more profit. We are only putting the best technicians in your home. Now, saying that, we only hire the best technicians. We also pay them well. We want them to have the benefits, insurance, enjoy their jobs, so they're a pleasure to be around when they're in our clients' homes. We do pay our technicians well, and obviously that adds to the cost, the expense of the business. So we could go for a lower year or a lower quality technician. That's not something we're willing to sacrifice for. So our prices are a little bit more because we have better technicians, honestly. We use only the best materials, best parts. Even if our customer wants to supply materials, we recommend the brands that our customers should be looking for. Of course, they can get whatever they want, but we really push for installing quality equipment because it lasts longer. We don't want to, we warranty everything. We have a really good warranty. We don't want to be coming back to stuff we've installed because it's failed. So we put the best quality stuff in, and that's another thing that some companies can, you know, make a bit more profit by using subpar materials and stuff like that. We only put the best stuff in. You know, that leads me to our technicians who have reliable trucks, so they don't break down, they don't let our customers down. We have fully stocked inventory, so you know, we can handle almost any job on the spot. We're always ready to do the job on the same day if we can, and that means having a fully stocked truck that's organized. If you look at our trucks when they come out, you will see they're beautiful on the inside. The technicians love this, it makes them happy. That all transfers and into our clients being happy at the end of the day. So everything's organized, everything's clean, they have the best of everything, and you know, that's part of giving the service, the level of service that we want. Very thorough evaluations when we come out to the job site, and we also give 3 options. So we don't rush in, this is what you need to do. I've worked at companies before where it's get in, give them a price, get on, get out. That's not the service we want to provide. We want to come in, we want to spend the time to educate you, we want to spend the time to answer all of your questions. Even if it's not to do with the job there, we'll answer all of your plumbing questions. We'll give you multiple options for the job. We will make a recommendation, and then we will let you choose what you want to do. So we really take our time, and we're very thorough. We're fully bonded, fully insured, and we have comprehensive warranties. Some of the best warranties on our poly B repipes, we offer 20 years on the material. That's pretty, you don't see that very often. We have different memberships where we offer multiple years of warranty. We cover the tank warranties up to 6 years on tanks with certain packages. So we do offer the best warranties, I feel, and that's something that's really important to a lot of our customers. They want to make sure that if anything does happen, they're covered. And for us, we love it when our clients are covered under a good warranty. It makes it very easy for us as well. So that's super important for us. And then of course, if we have any emergencies, anything that goes wrong, any damage, anything like that, we are fully insured, fully covered. It does happen, accidents happen, we're aware of that. We haven't had any bad ones yet, but I've seen it at companies I've been at. So it does happen, and we're fully prepared to take care of any situation we come into. We have an office space for our clients and employees. This is a place you can come in, you can get to meet us. We can chat about different projects. We have some different stock and inventory and stuff like that you can take a look at, and just come and have a coffee. So anyone is welcome to drop into one of our offices at any time. We have a 24/7 call support. So these are people you can call, speak to a real person in-house in the office. They work with us all the time and know us very well, and they're part of the team. It's not a call center in the States or anything. So you can talk to a real person, and that person will likely be the person you deal with from the moment you call. They'll keep you informed. We always do a very good job with communication. You'll see that in our reviews. Communication to us is very important. Every few hours we're calling to make sure, you know, we're on time. We're running a little bit behind. We're our emergency company, so stuff moves around, you know. So we have very good communication, and we have the best guys on the phone to hand. We have very good communication, which is awesome. Our clients love that. And if you have any problems, there's always someone there to pick up the phone. And then, as well as the managers and owners, I'm always ready to jump on the phone if I need to, if there's an issue arising. So communication is not something you'll lack here at Kingstree Plumbing. Even if there's issues, we're always here and ready to fix stuff. At Kingstree Plumbing, we're very happy with where our pricing is. It's exactly where it needs to be. We get lots of positive feedback. We have negative feedback, but any business is going to have that. But we're very happy we feel like we have a very honest rate, what we need to charge. We're very on top of the numbers, like I say. So our quote is what it is. And if you'd like Kingstree Plumbing to do the work, we would love to come and serve you and have that chance to serve you. And if you choose a different plumber, like I said, there's different plumbers for different people, and that's completely fine. It's a shame we don't get to come out and serve you. I wish you all the best. You have a fantastic day. If there's anything else you need, there's a number around here. You can call at any time. There's a bunch of other FAQ videos if you want to go through those. If not, you have a fantastic day, and see you later. Bye now.